Angela.
I'm Leah.
And we out here.
Okay, so as soon as you walk in, ignore luggage. Here is the bathroom. The sink is here, the toilet and the shower tub. I mean, the bathroom is actually a pretty decent size. It's pretty large. Then you have this huge mirror here. And you walk in. This looks like it is used as like a connecting room. So I think this door is for a room that can be connected. They have a miniature fridge here. The coffee, more mirrors, which is always nice. Have a decorative stand here. A desk and TV. A sitting area and a little nook. You have the bed here, and then you have the window. I'll show you all what it looks like during the daytime as well, but you can kind of just look down into the preserve area. The parking, I'll tell y'all, well, I'll tell y'all later. Okay, so here is the closet. Got a nice size closet here. And yeah, so far so good. Have a little lamp up here if you need to get some work done. Little table. Yeah, I think this is a pretty decent room for the price. This is what the outside of the window looks like during the daytime. This parking lot that you're looking at is not the parking lot for the hotel, actually. This parking space is shared between those apartments that you can see as well as shops. The parking for the hotel is a garage and it is not attached to the building. So to me, it was kind of inconvenient.
It's been sweet
Check us out next week
when we out here
in these streets. Peace.